There is something that your PTO needs to do like today, starting today, so that you can head off trouble at the pass going like in the future, not even going, I guess it's going forward too. But yeah, it's something you totally need to do. I did not do this for my group. And guess what? Totally hosed. What's this, you ask? It's creating a list of parent emails so that your group is in full control and can freely communicate with parents whenever you need or want to. So here's a situation that I'm currently finding myself in. So I have a fantastic relationship with the principal. He will totally send out anything that the PTO needs anytime's not a problem. But here's the rub. The school district is having a small problem where their emails have been marked as spam. And so all emails from either the district or the school itself are going straight to the spam folder. This is a huge problem, and we've seen decreased parent involvement, low participation in fundraisers, and overall people don't feel like they know what's going on. No matter how many times we send stuff out, parents are just not seeing it. And so what I've decided to start doing is just collecting any and all parent emails so that I can keep them in the loop. This year, I happen to have a senior, and so I am heading up the after prom and kind of senior celebrations committee. And so I've started up a senior parent contact list because I was tired of having to do everything myself with my very small committee. And I'm like, other parents have to want to do this for their kids. They have to want to provide a safe experience following prom, right? Because who wants their kid to have a beautiful night, a memorable night at prom, only to have that totally ruined because they made a stupid choice? Let's not get into how many stupid choices kids make. They make a stupid choice just ruining their future, right? Or severely hampering it. You just don't want those problems. So I gotta figure like parents really do want to have a safe activity for their kids. Yet over the last couple of months, we've had not so many people coming to the after prom committee meetings. And I kind of think it's because they don't even know what the heck is going on, because those messages are landing in spam and it's a problem. My advice to get your kind of own email list up and going extends beyond groups that are just having, like, even if you have a good relationship with your school, you can see where you can still end up kind of in the gutter email wise and be at a loss communication wise. Like, parents are already tuned out, so this is just making it even harder. So this is especially good advice for schools, or for PTOs rather, who don't have a good relationship with your principal, who is hesitant to send things out or insists on checking over every little thing. And maybe it takes them 3 or 4 days to get things out, or they reword things and they screw it up or whatever. Girl, you need to be in charge of your own destiny, so collect those parent emails. I guess my question for you is, do you have a problem with communication, or is this a no-brainer for you? Because I'll be real honest, this has not been a problem for me for the past 11 years, and all of a sudden it's kind of an issue. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you take my advice and you start collecting parent emails, and that you use your own kind of channels to communicate with parents so that they can stay in the loop. Don't rely on the school. Sometimes something catastrophic can happen, like what's happened with my school district. Such a pain in the butt. It's been happening since summer. It's been really hard because now you have to check the spam folder, and who likes to do that? You want things to go to the in folder. And yes, I have tried hitting that not spam button about a gajillion times. So have other people. It is not making a difference. So till a school district figures out what the heck is going on with their email, obviously they've gotten on some kind of naughty list. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at PTOanswers.com.